Hello, this is How To Not To, and in this video I'll be taking you through the detergent drawer guidelines. There are 3 compartments. The left compartment is for the main wash, and the centre for fabric softeners, and the right is for the primary wash. Pre-wash compartment, which is this one here. Apply pre-wash detergent or starch in there. And the main wash compartment, apply the main wash detergent, water softener, soaking detergent, bleach and or stain removers in that one. So the middle one here, you can apply your fabric softener, conditioner, and I think there's do not exceed the maximum line A on this. Well, it depends on what machine model you have. And some softener as well. So you don't need that much actually, you just need to fill it up to that maximum line there. I don't know whether you can see that. Another thing to be wary of is don't open the detergent drawer while the wash machine is operating. And it also states in the manual you don't want to use certain types of detergents like tablet or capsule type and a ball or net type. And also if you've got highly enriched fabric softener or detergents, you may want to dilute them in water before you apply them to the machine, to the dispenser drawer. And that is to prevent the compartment from clogging. What else? Yes, when the delay end is selected, do not apply detergent directly into the drum. Otherwise, this may discolour the laundry. Use the detergent drawer when the delay end is selected. And I haven't used the delay end as yet, and that's something that I will be doing in the future. So if you haven't already done so, please click on the notification bell to be notified of that video. It also states do not use any cleaning agents for cleaning the drum. So the chemical residue in the drum deteriorates the washing performance. So before you start, slide open the detergent drawer, apply laundry detergent to the main wash compartment, and if you want to apply softener, you can do so by applying that in the softener compartment, which is the one in the middle. And as I mentioned before, you don't want to exceed the maximum line A. And yeah, the softener is dispensed into the wash during the final rinse. And if you want to do a pre-wash, you want to apply pre-wash detergent to the end compartment on the right. This is the pre-wash compartment. Yeah. And I have done a video on that, on the pre-wash, how to use the pre-wash, how to select the option on the Samsung wash machine. And again, if you want to see that video, then subscribe to my channel. Also, it states in the manual you don't want to use powdered detergent in the liquid detergent
section.
And any concentrated fabric softener must be diluted with water before you apply it. And you don't want to apply the main wash detergent to the softener compartment, do you? And if you do want to use liquid detergents, then depending on the model you have, this wash machine came with the inserts that was provided with the wash machine. Yeah, and that just goes, you just slot it into the main wash compartment, and then you can apply liquid detergent to the container below. Okay, I don't need that now because we usually use powder detergent, but this is for liquid detergent. Okay, and we're now going to put this back into the dispenser drawer. And that's it. All that's left to say is I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Nice and clean after doing the pre-wash.